Airports in 2026 are no longer simple transit points. They are high-security environments where every answer matters. Immigration officers are trained to detect hesitation, inconsistency, and unclear intentions within seconds. One weak response can lead to questioning, delays, or even refusal of entry. This video reveals the most important customs and immigration questions travelers must understand before flying internationally. Watch carefully until the end. And, before moving forward, like this video, comment your destination country, and subscribe to the channel for more crucial travel and immigration guidance. Number 15. Why are you traveling to this country? This question determines everything that follows at immigration. The answer must always match the visa type exactly. If the visa is issued for tourism, the response must focus only on tourism-related activities such as sightseeing, visiting famous places, or exploring the culture. If the visa is a business visa, the answer must clearly mention business meetings, conferences, or professional engagements. Any mismatch between the visa and the explanation creates immediate suspicion. In 2026, immigration officers use integrated digital systems that display visa history, previous travel records, and declared purposes. A confident, clear, and simple answer increases trust instantly and allows smooth entry. Number 14. How long will you stay in the country? This question is asked to confirm whether the traveler understands visa limits. The answer should always match the return ticket and accommodation booking. Giving an uncertain or overly flexible duration can raise concerns about overstaying. Immigration officers expect a precise number of days or weeks, not vague statements. In 2026, overstays are tracked globally, and even a small inconsistency can trigger extra screening. A clear and realistic stay duration shows planning, responsibility, and compliance with immigration rules. Number 13. Where will you stay during your visit? Accommodation details are a key verification point. Immigration officers want to ensure the traveler has a confirmed place to stay. The answer should include the hotel name, city, or the address of a host if staying with friends or relatives. Saying the accommodation is not decided yet often leads to further questioning. In 2026, officers may instantly verify hotel bookings in the system. Knowing accommodation details confidently proves preparedness and genuine travel intent. Number 12. Do you have a return or onward ticket? This question checks whether the traveler plans to leave the country within the allowed period. A confirmed return or onward ticket strongly supports temporary travel intent. Saying a return ticket will be booked later is considered risky. Immigration authorities in 2026 prioritize travelers who demonstrate clear exit plans. A confident yes, supported by an actual booking, significantly increases approval chances at the counter. Number 11. How much money are you carrying? This question ensures the traveler can support themselves financially during the stay. The answer must be honest and reasonable according to the destination country's living cost. Carrying too little money can signal potential illegal work, while carrying excessive cash may raise legal concerns. In 2026, financial preparedness is a major factor in entry decisions. Immigration officers want to see that daily expenses, accommodation, food, and transport are fully covered without risk. Number 10. Have you visited this country before? This question helps immigration officers analyze travel history and behavioral patterns. A previous visit with a clean exit record strengthens credibility. If the country has been visited before, the answer should be direct and truthful, including whether the visit was for tourism, business, or another permitted purpose. In 2026, immigration systems instantly show past entry and exit records. Any attempt to hide previous visits or provide incorrect details can be detected immediately. Honest answers supported by a clean travel history create a positive impression and reduce further questioning. Number 9. What do you do for a living? This question is designed to understand financial stability and social ties to the home country. The answer should clearly state the profession, job role, or business activity without over-explaining. A stable occupation shows strong reasons to return after the trip. In 2026, immigration officers often cross-check professions with visa types and travel purpose. A confident and consistent answer demonstrates transparency and lowers the risk of additional scrutiny. Number 8. Who is paying for your trip? Immigration officers ask this to verify financial responsibility. If the trip is self-funded, the answer should clearly state that personal savings are being used. If someone else is sponsoring the trip, the relationship and reason must be explained clearly. In 2026, officers are trained to identify unclear sponsorship situations that could indicate illegal work or overstaying risk. A straightforward and honest explanation builds trust and supports entry approval. Number 7. Are you carrying any restricted or prohibited items? This question is crucial at customs. Immigration and customs officers expect travelers to know what they are carrying. The answer should always be calm and truthful. Declaring restricted items does not automatically mean trouble, but hiding them almost always does. In 2026, advanced scanning systems make concealment nearly impossible. Transparency shows respect for the law and helps travelers avoid serious penalties or delays. Number 6. Do you have relatives or friends in this country? This question helps officers evaluate potential overstaying risk. Having friends or relatives is not a problem, but the details must be clear and honest. The answer should briefly explain the relationship and whether the visit includes meeting them. In 2026, immigration authorities carefully assess personal connections to ensure travel intent remains temporary. Clear explanations prevent misunderstandings and unnecessary follow-up questions. Number 5. Have you booked your accommodation? This question is used to measure planning and seriousness of travel. Immigration officers expect travelers to have confirmed accommodation arrangements before arrival. A booked hotel, guest house, or host address shows preparation and genuine intent. In 2026, officers may verify booking details instantly through digital systems. Saying accommodation will be decided after arrival often leads to extra questioning. A clear and confident answer strengthens credibility and speeds up the immigration process. Number 4. What places do you plan to visit? This question checks whether the travel purpose is genuine. A traveler with a real plan can name cities, attractions, or regions connected to the purpose of travel. Vague answers suggest poor planning or hidden intentions. In 2026, immigration officers expect realistic travel plans that match the duration of stay and visa type. Knowing planned destinations demonstrates seriousness and reduces suspicion. Number 3. Are you carrying food, plants, or animal products? This is a critical customs question related to biosecurity and public safety. Many countries strictly control food items and agricultural products. The answer must always be honest. Even small undeclared items can result in fines or entry issues. In 2026, customs inspections are more advanced and highly regulated. Transparency protects travelers from legal trouble and ensures smooth clearance. Number 2. Have you ever overstayed or violated visa rules? This question directly addresses immigration history and compliance. A clean record builds trust instantly. If there has been a previous issue, honesty is essential. Immigration databases in 2026 store global violation records that officers can access within seconds. Any attempt to hide past violations can lead to immediate refusal. Truthful answers maintain credibility and allow officers to assess the situation fairly. Number 1. What will you do after your trip ends? This is one of the most important questions at immigration. Officers ask this to confirm strong ties to the home country. The answer should clearly mention returning to work, business, studies, or family responsibilities. In 2026, proving intent to return is a top priority for immigration authorities worldwide. A confident and realistic answer reassures officers and completes the entry process smoothly. Travel in 2026 is no longer just about booking a flight and packing a bag. Every question at customs and immigration is designed to test clarity, honesty, and preparation. Knowing these questions in advance gives confidence, control, and a smooth airport experience. A single clear answer can save hours of stress and prevent serious travel consequences. Smart travelers prepare before arriving at the immigration counter. If this video helped improve travel confidence, like the video to support the channel. Comment the country you plan to visit next, and subscribe now for more essential travel, visa, and airport guidance designed for modern international travelers. Safe travels and smooth journeys ahead.